Hi, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Guess what I'm cooking? Guess what I'm cooking? I'm sure you wanna see what I'm cooking. I'll show you what I'm cooking. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Do not limit your life. Do not limit yourself. Do what you can do. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking. This there. See there? Cooking eggs. You see that? Eggs. Cooking eggs. Oh, how am I gonna hold my phone now? Cooking eggs. See? I was using this. Why are you cooking eggs? You should use a pot. You should use a pan. I don't have pen, so I'm using this structure. Know what I'm saying? I'm using this structure. You see, I eat 3 eggs. They're done. I want them to be brownish. I want them to be brownish. And then I'm gonna eat it. I'm hungry as hell. I think now I'm ready to be eaten. I'm gonna take them out. I think now I'm ready to be eaten. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for